That's called a lemon tree. It's got thorns. Time to take it out of this bucket, save it, and place it in this bucket. I don't know if I got enough potting mix, but I can still take it out. Transfer it just like so. I'm going to have to take some of the soil out. Maybe that'll do it. And then I am going to have to get more potting mix. Fill it in. May not be the right size, but tell you what, it's the next pot. Maybe this season, we'll see lemons grow. Lemon tree, time to go get more Miracle-Gro. Enjoy your lemon, all tied up, getting ready to open up. This grew from a pit. Yes, indeed, 3 years later.